Hi everyone! Let's draw a cute little mermaid together today. Start by drawing a gentle curve for her face and her long flowing hair. Add her star hair clip, the shell top, and her wavy tail sitting on a rock. Let's start coloring her skin first. Use a soft peach or light pink tone. Next, color her bright orange-red hair to make it shine like sunlight under the sea. Then paint her tail with turquoise and add a little shimmer. Finally, color the rock she's sitting on with warm brown tones. You did it! Your mermaid is shining beautifully. Even in the quiet sea, your smile makes the ocean sparkle.